this is Hans the Ramen Noodle coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and for some reason the connection between the camera and the phone died for a moment there. So I'm going to start the episode over, that's what I'm doing right now. I've already opened the package. But today we've got one from Sau Tao. This is their Jiangnan style noodle original flavor. And I was just showing you, you get 2 servings of noodle. Generous, handsome serving. So let's take one of these and dropping it into boiling water for 4 minutes. Today is Tuesday, 18 August. And it's going to be a good day. We've had some really amazingly wonderful weather for Washington State lately. Looks like the mail's going to be going back to normal. Thank freaking God. So it comes with 2 servings of noodles and 2 sachets. I'm only making 1 serving. That's the plan, at least. Well, I guess I could make 2. Make just a big old mess of noodles. Why not? Let's be that way. Let's just be that way. It's not like anybody else is going to eat them. Ooh, yes. So here we go. They're all submerged and boiling. Boiling, boiling, boiling. It's a lot of noodles. Well, it'll work out in the end, won't it? But, yeah, nice day. Had to get out early this morning. Did so. Had a nice chin wag with my brother Moshe. He's working on a book. He's got a YouTube channel where he's reading it. I'll see if it's alright to name drop him. Doesn't have the same last name as me, so there's no way you're gonna find him. But yeah, so that's cool. Book is good, fascinating, thought-provoking. I mentioned it was good. It's good. It's kind of funny today. Stumpy did an episode a while back, and the post that the episode is with just released today, and it was episode 666. And he knew that, you know. I'm like, hey man, welcome to episode 666. Hey. And today he had some bad news befall him. So, and now is missing, it seems. MIA. Not DOA, just MIA. So hopefully we'll hear from him soon and do a special show just of the Stumpy Factor with Stumpy. So I'll need 120 milliliters of water to go with this. Yeah. It's either 120 or 180. A lot of water. You cook it, you drain it, you add back in a little bit of water, you put the sachets in, you stir it up all nice, and hey, there you go! That's what you have. Comes from right here. Actually, not right here. This stuff's from Hong Kong. Now, there's a place I want to go, like you did. Oh my God. I've wanted to go to Hong Kong since I can't even remember. Hopefully soon. I'd love to visit this company. I mean, I can't even imagine how many noodle lines they have. That would be so much fun. They should have tours. They should ask noodle people like me, hey, you want to come to Sau Tao? Go to Sun Shun Fuk? Huh? Come on. I'd say, yes. immediately. What I'd really like to do is go to Hong Kong. You know what I want to try? You know, obviously, I want to try all sorts of stuff in Hong Kong. There's a lot to try in Hong Kong. This I know. So, what would I try? Well, for starters, fishball. I've heard a lot of stuff about how fishball is traded and sold and whatever in Hong Kong. And I freaking love fishball, but I've never had fishball from Hong Kong. So, that's definitely on my bucket list. I also want to try assorted noodle, which is kind of like a little bit of everything, according at least to hey, you'll be nice over there, according to the Stephen Chow film God of Cookery. And of course I want to go for real, like really good dim sum. I've had dim sum, which is a chain out of Hong Kong, and I had that in Taipei. And I had like HK Star 24-hour dim sum. Man, that was great. Like, my buddy told me it was like the oldest dim sum joint in Taipei. I'm like, well, it's been around that long, it's gotta be good. Didn't seem to be full of tourists, that's for sure. That's one thing. One thing that I really appreciate about all the trips that I've been on to Asia is that the people who showed us around, they like didn't just take us to like, we didn't really go to any touristy food venues. We went to places where they were like, oh, this is good. This is what we're like really happy you're here because we get to try all this stuff too. And you know, there's like this article about this place and this place is considered this because of that. I mean, it was just like, man. I've been on a diet for quite a while, but I'll tell you one thing. If I went to Asia right now, I'd be more than happy to gain maybe 20 pounds while I was there. I mean, come on. Like, how could you do that? Well, because you don't go to Asia every day. And I try everything. Still want to go to China, too. But I don't think... I mean... Right now, the idea of when we'll be able to travel outside of the U.S. anywhere other than Mexico, and that's like way far south. We used to drive up to Canada like twice a month because it's like right there. It's a couple hours there, a couple of hours back, spend maybe 4 hours up there, and have just like a nice day of it on a weekend. Go get peanut butter and oatmeal up in Canada. Find some noodles, although last time they confiscated them. And they charged me a truck crossing fee because they said that it was commercial because I have a blog. Aww. But I don't care. Because I'd go to Canada again and get more noodles, oh yeah. Hopefully that doesn't mean I'm flagged though. Every time you come over the border, we're going to check to see if you got those noodles. And if you got those noodles, let's give this a try. Kind of a peanut paste thing going on. I really like how these noodles are like, they've got a nice chew on them, but they're not chewy. They're kind of crumbly. but not in a bad way. Because there's crumbly that's just like, ugh. Then there's crumbly that's like, okay. And then there's soggy, which I gotta be hard pressed to think of a time when a soggy noodle is something, or soggy, spongy. Yeah, that's generally not something that I find really all that wonderful. Okay, here we go. 2 servings in this one little bowl. I don't know. Yeah, if you're looking for a lot of noodles, get some of this Sau Tao straight noodle stuff, because I'll tell you right now, you end up with a load of it. Look at that. Yeah. But I like that immensely. That's very good. So I've got some beef. Oh man, I wonder if that's going to be Stumpy. I don't think it is. I think Stumpy is like passed out for like the next year. We'll see though. If we get Stumpy on the next episode, it will be a treat like no other, ladies and gentlemen. Stumpy's been through the ringer lately and he's got stories to tell. Stumpy knows what it is to be alive. Truly alive. I gotta say, even though a lot of his life is very, very hard, I am definitely envious of him. Pretty cool. Alright. Some seeds. Need some seeds. Am I going to be able to see that? I don't want to get yelled at again. Yeah, I'm going to get yelled at again. Okay. Okay. There you go. And some red pepper flakes from your friend and mine, Papa Murphy's Pizza. Take and bake pizzas that you can enjoy anytime. And right now with the COVID, I'll deliver them to you. But I don't think they'll deliver this to you. I don't think you can just get red pepper flakes delivered to you by that place. They might. I mean, that'd be kind of weird. All right. So yeah, this one's really good. I really like it. Let's let Rotato do its thing. Man, I could just eat this whole thing. God. But I won't. I'll be good. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.